Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to bulk move Chrome devices to organizational unit using xFanatical Foresight Automation tool. In today's educational landscape, K-12 schools often face the challenge of managing their Chrome devices across multiple organizational units. This task becomes particularly complex when administrators need to transfer a large number of devices from one unit to another. Google Admin Console can only move a limited number of devices at one time. Manual efforts can become overwhelming when dealing with a large number of devices. To address this issue, organizations can leverage the bulk move feature of xFanatical Foresight Automation tool. How to bulk move Chrome devices to organizational unit using xFanatical Foresight Automation tool. Rule instructions. We will be dividing our process into two parts. In Part 1, we will be exporting the Chrome devices in a CSV list from students' Grade 1 organizational unit. In Part 2, we will be moving these Chrome devices via this exported CSV list to students' Grade 2. Part 1. Export Chrome devices with CSV list. Creation of the rule. Log into your xFanatical Foresight account with your Google admin account. Go to the Rules page and click the New Rule button. Step 1. Select the manual trigger from the Select a Trigger screen. Click Next. Step 2. On the Select an Action screen, click the List Chrome Devices action. Click Sign in with Google to grant approvals to xFanatical Foresight in Google Workspace. Leave the default columns in the Columns field. In the Organizational Unit field, select Students Grade 1. Leave the rest of the fields as they are. Click Review. Step 3. Enter the rule name. Click Create. Triggering of the rule. Click the play button to trigger the rule. This process will take a few seconds. Verification of the rule. Find the notification in the upper right corner and click on it. Under the notification message, click the View Log button to access the Logs page from the left sidebar. Here, you'll find a log of successful rule triggers. Part 2. Move Chrome devices via a CSV list to Grade 2 OU. Go to the Rules page and click the New Rule button. Step 1. Select the Data Uploaded trigger from the Select a Trigger screen. Click on the Upload box and upload the downloaded CSV. Wait for the CSV to be parsed. Then you will be able to see the columns of the CSV. Click Next. Step 2. On the Select an Action screen, click the Move Chrome Device to Organizational Unit action. You may need to authorize xFanatical Foresight to access your Google Workspace account. Select the device ID in the Device ID field and opt for Grade 2 in the Organizational Unit. Click Review. Step 3. Enter the rule name and click Create. Triggering of the rule. Click the Upload icon and upload the same CSV file again. Verification of the result. Look for the notification in the top right-hand corner and click on it. Click the View Log button under the notification message to access the log details directly. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.